Lena iyona website lapho abantu abaneminyaka engaphezulu kwengamashumi ayisithupha bengabhalisela khona ukugoma. Kanti nakho abazokudinga.
You must have your ID and medical aid card if you have one ready before you register. And when you register, it's very important that you put the correct cell phone number, the address where you live, and the correct medical aid number if you have one. Remember that registration does not guarantee that you will be vaccinated immediately. We will use the information you have provided when you register to communicate with you about the vaccination program when necessary.
Kuzosungulwa amathimba azolekelela labo abangakwazi ukusebenzisa ezobuchwepheshe kubo kubalwa sebekhulile abahlala emigwaqeni kanye nalabo abahlala eindaweni ezisemakhaya. Lesinyathelo siza ngemva kokuthela kuleli limiso okwesikhashana ukusetshenziswa komgomo weJohnson & Johnson kanti liyaqhubeka uphenyo mayelana nobudlelwane balomgomo kanye nabantu abambalwa ababe namahlule egazini emva kokuthatha lomgomo emazweni ahlukene emhlabeni.
Siyafisa ukugqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi sibambisane kulolu hlelo la nje basikhuluma ukuthi kunemjovo esithe kuyimisa kancane bekusekucwaninga nje ukuthi sibone ukuthi ikhona into ephazamisayo ngakutheni basiqhubeke kodwa asithembi ukuthi into yozoba unomphela sicabanga ukuthi kulezi insuku ezizayo kuzokuvula emqhutsheko ngoba phela yonke imjovo iba nazo izintwana lapha nalapha yahlupha ngazo kodwa siyithatha njengento esiyenza ukuthi sekufanele siyesabe lemjovo yokugoma ukuthi kunenkinga kakhulu.
Umkhakha wezamabhizinisi nawo uzofaka isandla.
B4SA has created a specific operationalization workstream that will build the private sector capacity to vaccinate approximately 160,000 people every day across corporate and independent pharmacies, across employer occupational health sites, and large-scale sites developed by medical schemes as well as GPs, private hospitals, and mass vaccination sites.
Kuzokwenziwa isimemezelo uma sekuqala ukubhalisa kwabanye abantu.